If you think an oil change is just draining old oil and pouring in new stuff, your mechanic knows something you don't. Because behind that $49.99 oil change, there are 10 secret inspections happening to your car. Inspections you're never told about, but that determine whether your engine lasts 50,000 miles or 500,000. Some of these checks could save your life. Some could save you thousands, and at least one of them is the real reason mechanics know you're about to have a major repair months before you do. By the end of this video, you'll know every hidden inspection happening in the shop, and you'll be able to tell instantly whether your mechanic is honest or setting you up for an expensive repair down the road. Let's dive into it, like a real mechanic would, not a customer invoice. 1. The oil filter autopsy, the secret wear diagnosis. Every experienced mechanic does this, but almost no customer ever sees it. When they remove your old oil filter, they cut it open or inspect the contents. Not to recycle it, not to clean it, but to diagnose your engine. Inside that filter is a story: shiny metallic flakes, bearing wear, black gritty sludge, neglected oil intervals, copper particles, rod bearings failing, silver glitter, piston scuffing, sticky varnish, overheating, or thin oil. This 20-second inspection tells a mechanic more about your engine's future than any check engine light. Some shops even keep filters from different customers on a shelf to compare wear trends. But here's the twist. They don't tell you any of this unless you ask, because explaining metal shavings to a customer takes time, and time is money. If you want real insight into your engine's health, ask your mechanic, what did my oil filter look like? They won't expect it, and you'll get the truth fast. 2. The hidden PCV system check, the #1 cause of oil burning. Almost every modern car has a PCV system that controls crankcase pressure. When it clogs, your engine starts burning oil, fouling spark plugs, gunking up the intakes, building sludge. Mechanics quietly check it during an oil change because a bad PCV system can mimic engine wear. When they see milky residue, oil pooling, vacuum loss, they know your engine might soon start consuming a quart every 1,000 miles. Here's the psychological part. Most mechanics won't tell you yet. They wait until the symptoms get worse, because then you'll believe them when they say it needs replacing. Now you know it's one of the first silent checks they do. 3. The belt and pulley listen test, the $1,500 failure that starts as a whisper. Before your car ever goes on the lift, an experienced mechanic listens, literally. They rotate the pulleys by hand, checking for chirping, scraping, grinding, wobbling. A single worn tensioner can destroy. The serpentine belt, alternator, water pump, power steering pump. Most drivers only notice when the belt snaps on the highway. Mechanics know months earlier. This is where the psychology kicks in. If they warn you too early, you'll think they're upselling. So they wait until it's bad enough to show you. Now you know they check this every time, and why they delay telling you. 4. The oil leak finger test, your engine's blood report. Mechanics don't just wipe oil leaks, they touch them. Different leaks equals different textures, thin and watery. Fresh oil, small gasket failure, sticky and dark aero valve cover leak. Burnt and thick aero dangerous hotspot leak near exhaust. Smells like fuel, injector seal, or head gasket problem. Smells sweet. Coolant/oil mixing. The moment a mechanic rubs a leak between two fingers, they already know exactly what the repair will cost you. But again, they rarely mention small leaks. Why? Because if they tell you too early, you'll think they're exaggerating. Most shops wait until the leak becomes visible to the customer so they can justify the repair. But they're checking at every oil change. Guaranteed. 5. The brake life snap judgment. It takes 3 seconds, not 30. Mechanics don't need fancy tools to judge brake health. A single glance at the rotor lip tells them how old your brakes are, how hard you drive, how soon you'll need replacements. In 3 seconds, they know whether you'll need pads within 3 months or 1 year. If the rotor edge is sharp like a coin, your brakes are aging fast. If it's smooth and thick, you've got plenty of life left. Shops often save this information for later because brake jobs are one of the most profitable services they offer. But now you know. They check it every oil change. whether they mention it or not. 6. The tire wear profile read, your driving style exposed. Mechanics don't just look at tread depth, they look at the shape of the wear, and that shape tells them everything. Inside wear, alignment issue, outside wear, aggressive cornering, center wear, overinflation, feathering, bad suspension, cupping, worn shocks, struts. Here's the part most drivers miss. Your tire wear tells a mechanic more about how you drive than anything you say. Mechanics sometimes adjust recommendations based on your wear pattern. Baby your car. They won't upsell. Drive hard. They'll push stronger fluids or premium brakes. Never rotate tires. They'll mark you as deferred maintenance. Your tires are basically a diary, and your mechanic reads it before even speaking to you. 7. The coolant smell test, the early warning for a $2,000 repair. Most drivers only notice coolant leaks when the car overheats, but mechanics can identify them weeks or months earlier. How? By smell. Coolant has a sweet, almost syrup-like odor. If a mechanic smells it while lifting your hood, they instantly suspect a failing water pump, a leaking radiator, a cracked plastic hose, or the early stages of a head gasket breach. They don't even need tools yet. Their nose tells them everything. But mechanics rarely bring this up on your first visit. Why? Because you have a tiny coolant leak. Often sounds like an upsell. They wait until there's visible seepage or the reservoir starts dropping. Now you know, if coolant is leaking, your mechanic knew long before you did. 8. The battery load guess. They know when it's about to die. Here's a trick mechanics use that most car owners never learn. Before they put a multimeter on your battery, they already know whether it's weak. How? By seeing how quickly the engine cranks when starting your car. A slow crank equals weak battery or starter. A smooth crank equals battery is healthy. Then they check the terminals, white/green crust arrow, parasitic draw or corrosion, wet spots, leaking electrolyte, bloated casing, internal failure, loose terminal, intermittent electrical issues. The psychology here is simple. Most mechanics won't tell you your battery is weak until it fails a test, because they need data to show you. But in reality, they often know months ahead of time that your battery is heading toward failure. They just wait until you're ready to believe it. 9. The undercarriage corrosion scan, your car's health DNA. This is the part of the inspection most customers never see it, because you're not under the lift with them. But mechanics always check the undercarriage. They're looking for rust on frame rails, flaking metal on suspension arms, leaking shocks, cracked bushings, damaged splash guards, early exhaust rust, and transmission seepage. This is where mechanics predict your car's future. Rust on subframe, future structural issues. Wet transmission pan, future slipping. Cracked CV boots, future axle failure. Rusty brake lines, future brake loss. The undercarriage is the DNA of how your car has been treated. A quick glance tells them whether you drive rough roads, whether you take care of maintenance, whether you wash under the car, whether you'll be a big repair customer. Mechanics quietly use this to judge how often they'll recommend services to you. 10. The cabin filter check, the secret indicator of ownership habits. This one shocks most people. Mechanics don't check your cabin air filter to sell you a new one. They check it to understand you. A clogged cabin filter tells them you skip routine maintenance. You likely delay oil changes. Your engine air filter may also be dirty. You're not following the owner's manual. A clean cabin filter tells them you maintain your car regularly. You're more likely to approve future service recommendations. You're a long-term customer type. Mechanics know people who replace cabin filters on time take better care of their cars overall. So when they open that filter box, they're not just checking airflow. They're learning what kind of car owner you are. Bonus, the upsell probability checklist mechanics. Use without saying a word. This part is rarely talked about, but every mechanic knows it. During every oil change, they assess whether you're a maintenance first customer, only fix when broken customer, ignore everything customer, or high value long-term customer. They judge you based on how clean your cabin is, how often you show up for service, how worn your air filters are, whether your tires are rotated regularly, and how you react when they recommend something. The psychology is simple. Customers who maintain their cars yearly get honest recommendations. Customers who refuse everything often get fewer warnings until things break. Customers who only fix when broken get the wait until it's bad enough treatment. Knowledgeable customers get the best service because mechanics respect them. By watching this video, you've officially entered the knowledgeable customer category. Final section, what you should say at your next oil change. If you want honesty from your mechanic, if you want respect, and most importantly, if you want your car to last, say these exact words. Could you show me my old oil filter, air filter, and cabin filter before throwing them out? Instant respect, instant transparency, instant truth. Next. Did you notice anything unusual in the undercarriage or fluid condition? This tells them you know what's really checked. Finally, is there anything I can do now to prevent a major repair later? This flips the relationship. Now you're asking for preventative advice, not reacting to bad news. Mechanics love customers like this because you make their job easier and you protect your own wallet. Most drivers treat an oil change like a chore. Smart drivers treat it like a free diagnostic session worth hundreds of dollars. Now that you know everything mechanics really check, you can spot problems early, avoid massive repairs, and get honest service every time. What surprised you the most? The oil filter autopsy? The coolant smell test, the hidden PCV check, the undercarriage DNA scan? Tell me in the comments -- Your answer might help another driver avoid a $2,000 repair. And before you go, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Because your car has secrets and we reveal them every week.